Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to take you to a special tour of our paddy field, which we have just finished planting a rice last week. So the field is lush and green, and I am very excited to show you the progress. I also have one more surprise. So we are also paying a visit to our pig, which he had which she had given her little piglets last week. So stick around and let's dive into the beautiful farm life together. Let's go. So for today's video, these two boys will join us in our video, and we are also heading towards the paddy field. I think it will take at least 10 minutes something from to reach our spot. So see you in the spot. Let's go. So after a long walk, we finally reached our paddy field. Let me show you. And here we go. Ooh, finally we have reached. So welcome to our paddy field. Woo! So guys, let me show you the real treasure. Let's go. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this cute piglet. So that's all for our from our paddy field. But wait, I also have another one surprise. So we are going to visit my uncle. Let's say yes, Uncle Jum, which is near to our paddy field. So we are heading towards the Jum, and also we are going to swim in the river. So you must watch till the end. Let's go. Bridge, you can see. Oh my God! In order to reach our my uncle Jum, we need to cross this river. Let's see. Okay. Oh, let's go. You can see it's so nice. So guys, you can see there. This is the Jum which I'm talking about. Look at this. So we are still finding for the spot. First we will go to the Jum. Finally guys, we have reached our destination. You can see I'm so tired, oh my God. So let's climb up there. I'm going to put this meat which we have got from our home. Ouch. Time for swimming. Guys, now we are going for the next location for swimming because it was too short for swim. And we are going for the next spot. Crazy. So guys, here is the new spot. Oh my God, let's see how that is. guys, it's time to eat. So let's go. Ano? Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. Hmm. It's tasty. Ebony is very palampa. Hmm. So thank you guys for watching our video till the end. I hope you like the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share it to your friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.